everyone, and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today I have 3 new dollar store / Dollar Tree DIY decor items. I hope that you like it, and if you like everything you see, hit the alarm button, subscribe, and comment below which one's your favorite. So the first DIY is this pattern tray. You're going to need a decal sticker tile and this hexagon picture frame. Now, please note the patterned paper is a little bit smaller than the hexagon frame, but if you put it in a certain way, it should be able to fit pretty well. Now, to finish this DIY off, I've had these handles from an old project that I did, and I just attached them to the tray. You can use any handles, or you can choose not to put any handles on the tray. And here is the final product. I absolutely love it. I think it's really unique and looks really, really high end. DIY number 2, we're gonna use this Dollar Tree picture frame, and we're gonna use this circle mirror. It is really easy. It's this beautiful modern mirror. So first you're going to take the picture frame apart, and please be careful while you're doing this step. And then what I'm doing is bending backwards the tabs on the picture frame just so my mirror fits. And there you have it, this beautiful modern mirror. For DIY number 3, we're just making this really easy decor item using some of the metal decor from the Dollar Tree. This is from the Christmas time, but they have loads of different figures. So basically I took 2 wood pieces, spray painted them black, and I'm just attaching everything together. Please subscribe, hit the alarm button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.